Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Bitcoin Analytica. This is your host, Joe Saz, and today we're going to be talking about some Bitcoin price action. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm over here just getting cold out here in the Midwest. But yeah, let's get to the party over here. All right. So we have a pump and dump yesterday that was pretty strong, all the way up to 30K. We hit and came all the way back down. I mean, this happened over the course of 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And a little bit of digging shows us that this was the result of a an intern at Coin Telegraph who got the news from a known scammer and made a tweet about it. I'm honestly betting that a lot of people made a lot of money, and it goes to show you a few things. One that I think is really important is that there are enough people around to be able to cause this type of a mess. The other day we were talking about who's still here, what kind of traders are still here. And this was the same talk in the previous bear market, where it gets to a point where everyone's just out. Everyone's done, a lot, well, not everyone, but the numbers relative to a bull market, the beginning of a legit bull market, post halving bull market, even the top of a bull market, you got a lot of activity. Afterwards, you got a lot of activity, probably for a number of months, and then it starts to really like fall off, right? And then you get to a point, probably about now, where we're pre-halving, post bear market bottom, everyone's dried out, but then we get something like what happened yesterday, and a massive freaking rip through the book to the upside, all the result of some news. And it's good to see. I think that's actually, it shows that there are a number of people around still playing the game. So there's obviously there'd have to be a lot, because in order to rip through the book and nail 30,000, we had to cut through a lot of liquidity, a lot of liquidity. So I was really happy to just see that there's something in us like that. Is this going to hold and is it going to sustain? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. We've been mostly going sideways, currently sitting at 28,400. Horizontal's not really getting touched. We have some kind of a horizontal around here. The wicks don't make it a higher high, but it's pretty close to being a higher high. And then we have a horizontal up here. Sorry guys, I didn't sleep last night, so I am tired, man, and I'm trying to stay awake until bedtime, so then I'll go to bed mad early and sleep a really good night. So anyways, sorry for the yawning. Spot markets are real tight. We've moved up a considerable distance from the low 27,000s, and the book hasn't really stacked up heavily yet. And same with the sell side. We just nuked the sell side book, so all the action that we're seeing is basically fresh, dynamic market behavior, and it's kind of hard to predict right now. Probably need more sensitive signals, but we'll worry about that. So aggregated spot markets are a little tight. Perps are long. Let's see what happens. Now, CME gaps. Still have a local CME gap to the downside, couple days old. We got a CME gap to the downside and a third CME gap to the downside as low as 2,500, 25,000. So we got about 3 CME gaps between over $3,000. I mean, this isn't great to the downside. It's not great. I don't know if this is gonna last forever. Our 50-day moving average is probably above the lowest one. Our lowest one is at 26.7. So that might be a continuation gap. Let's see. Did we touch it? Not even. Nope. Took off. So we're now sitting above the 200-day moving average, and this is what I want to talk about today. This is an important fight. I usually give it at least 3 days before I'm going to trust a break above or below a moving average. Give it a couple days. Prove it's a legit sustainable move, and then you might have something to say, all right, you know, we broke above the moving averages, now we're going to move and rubber band back to 31,000 or something. I mean, certainly possible, but we need a bit more time. Days on a daily chart. You need hours on an hourly chart. Whenever you're talking moving averages, don't assume one candle invalidates it all, you know? So 3 to 5 days, to be honest. We'll probably go, if we can make it to the weekend, we'll probably go sideways through the weekend. Things will look good. Do have a couple CME gaps down there, down low, so I'm not 100% certain of anything right now. Yo, what's up, Bitcoin motorist? So yeah, you know, I just wanted to come in, make sure I show face here for a minute. I'm so tired. I'm really trying not to take a nap. I might take a quick nap. It seems like a bad idea though, because if I take a quick nap, then I'll be struggling to go to sleep. So, all right. But I just wanted to at least jump in here for now and catch up with you guys. Everyone, much love to you all. Turn your shower water cold, do your push-ups. That includes you, Patrick. Everyone be strong.